Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Lota. Welcome to my home cooking recipes. Today I bring a very healthy recipe for you guys. Weight loss vegetable chicken soup recipe. It's very healthy for you guys. This soup will help you to lose your weight. Drink this soup in the morning or night time. It's good for your health. It's very healthy and delicious. Before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Share my videos to your friends. Now let's see what we need to cook this recipe.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching.